Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the clock app on your iPhone. Once you have the clock app open, tap on the alarms tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the plus button at the top right corner to create a new alarm. Now, use the scroll wheels to select the time you want the alarm to go off. Scroll up or down to adjust the hour and minute. Tap on the repeat option and choose the days you want the alarm to repeat if necessary. Once you have set the time and any repeat days, tap Save at the top right corner of the screen to save your alarm. And this is how you can set an alarm on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.